Good evening. We're in Nagoya. Just had dinner. Past 10 p.m. So we had dinner doon sa Yonaki. Para siyang karinderya nila. It's an alley na ramen house. Sobrang init na. This place. Sobrang init na because naka-jacket. Tapos sobrang lamig. So dito yung I think we're going Family Mart. Oh. Dito na tayo, bili? Yep. Sige, sunod ako. Family Mart is convenience store here. Huh? Ito yung parking area nila na hindi ko maintindihan, no? But tomorrow I'll learn kasi nagpark kami doon sa isang alley. Liquor convenience store here. Anong bilhin ninyo? Water, payong at saka cares makikuan gamot, medicine. Convenience store. Now we're in Family Mart. Hanap tayo something to drink. Oh, grabing noodles nila, no? Water. Oh, hindi na masyadong malaki. Ayan. Ba't kalaki ng kuan mo, cotton buds?
Ano for the whole trip pa yan. Shouting mo lahat yan. Makalado yung PPH.
Ikaw magkuan yan? Tago?
Yeah.
Yan ang water natin?
Dagdagan ba?
Dagdagan mo, kasi sa may car man tayo.
May isa pa?
Isa.